choose not to do it. That's an issue. See, the president, and let me give him a few things.
Like
the
this
president
version of a wet willy.
and everybody's doing
Yeah.
the president. I keep getting. I'm on that mass email of that stuff. Yeah.
Wow.
Who knows what's gonna happen? They pay a lot of lip service to it, right? Exactly.
You are Mr. Stripe Guy today, aren't you?
Hey, my little lovey. You want some other toys? No, you're just gonna whine?
In terms of like...
You gonna show Nate how you guys have switched dispositions and now you're the whiny one? You learned how to scream too, didn't you, mister? Nice, Nate.
Kind of weird looking.
I know.
It's kind of like an Adam.
Yeah. Or I was thinking like they're doing some experimenting on the dog. They hooked up all these tubes.
Danny, you being nice?
Kind of Matrix looking things.
Are you a little unsure?
Happy he used to be for months and now
Yeah.
he's grumpy. I mean, he still got his happy days.